What if gluten isn't the big problem that everyone thinks it is? For years, people have been avoiding breads, pastas, and other common foods because they believe that they are sensitive to gluten. New research is pointing to another possible culprit for symptoms that have come to be associated with gluten sensitivity. These symptoms include headaches, bloating, and water retention. Yet before we start telling everyone that they can go back to consuming gluten, it's important to recognize that a small percentage of people are allergic to this mixture of storage proteins found in many grains. The truth is that some people have a very rare disease called celiac disease that causes them to have a serious negative reaction when they digest even the smallest amount of gluten. The presence of this disease can be confirmed with a blood test performed by a medical professional. For these people with positive results, gluten should be completely removed from their diets and avoided at all costs. However, for the multitude of people who simply think they are sensitive to gluten, news is on its way. Some studies are now pointing to the possibility of a different substance causing most of the problems that gluten is being blamed for. It's called fructan, and it's a carbohydrate that is found in wheat. It's also found in some green vegetables like cabbage and asparagus, as well as onions and garlic. Even worse than being present in other foods besides wheat, this sneaky carbohydrate that could be causing so many bloating issues may have also been the culprit behind a somewhat dangerous fad diet that has people cutting out any wheat consumption from their diets. The aforementioned research used 3 types of cereal bars to show that people who think they are sensitive to gluten had little or no reaction when given a cereal bar containing gluten. But when they were given a cereal bar that contained fructans, the large majority had a negative reaction. If the study is correct, it could reverse the trend and actually help people improve their health by avoiding what is really causing them to react rather than what has been thought to cause them to react for so long. Foods with higher gluten levels but lower fructan levels could be what's up next. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.